Introducing the LVAD Mini, the world's first highly portable LVAD training device. Designed and manufactured by the simulator company in London, this device is changing the game for LVAD training. With its ultra-realistic heart and controllable heart contractions, the LVAD Mini allows you to simulate real-life scenarios and practice your skills with ease. Connect the actual LVAD device to the LVAD Mini and visualize realistic haemodynamic analysis on the go. The LVAD Mini also features a realistic patient monitor embedded into one portable unit. Control the patient monitor using the LVAD-SIM app. Get real-time LV pressures and aortic pressures on the control panel of an iPhone and simulate various clinical scenarios easily. Control the cardiac functions using the app and visualize real-time effects on the LVAD Mini and the LVAD device. With the LVAD Mini, you can easily control the preload and afterload to the heart, as well as the inflow and outflow of the LVAD device. Auscultate realistic brachial pulse. With the LVAD Mini, this highly customizable app and device is truly a heart in a box, allowing you to practice and perfect your skills anywhere, anytime. The LVAD Mini, the future of LVAD training.